What you can also do is publish out your drawing file to the web so that everyone else with the web link can view your file. So to do that, you have to go to the file menu right here, and once you go around over here, you can see publish to the web is an option. And once you click on this, what happens is that you can go around, choose the image size that you want to publish. So let me just go around and choose large because I want the details to be there. And what you can do is you can publish out to a link. So if I were to hit publish right here, it says, are you sure you want to publish this selection? You can press OK, and you can see that the link has been actually made right here. You can copy this out, and then what you can do is you can open up a new tab, and people with this link will be able to access the link. As you can see that as I pasted that link, it is downloading the drawing as a PNG file right here. So this is how the public will have access to the drawing file. It's not editable. They can just view it out just like this. Besides that option, what you also have is you can go around, change out the size, and then the link will be automatically updated. And if you were to click on Gmail or Facebook or Twitter, it'll use this link so that it can be shared out through email, Facebook, or Twitter accordingly. Over here, you can also click on stop publishing if you don't want the link to be active anymore. And what you can also do is you can go to the embed section right here. And once you go to embed section, you can choose any size, click on publish. And what happens is that it actually creates an embed code, which you can then keep in your own web page of your choice as well. And that is how you can publish drawing file contents to the web. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.